Hi, hello, namaskar, Nana History Gowri. Today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why I like Nama Bengaluru. First, the climate. The climate not so hot, not so cold, and you feel very friendly everywhere. The second, the people. People are very kind, very friendly, very helpful. If I ask any small help, they will happily to offer help with a smile. Number 3, the food. The breakfast I like idli, vada, dosa, and the puri sagu is my favorite. For the lunch and dinner, I like chicken biryani, chicken tandoori, chicken tikka. All about chicken only. The next kind is the sweet. I like the Mysore pak. Kannada Gottilva. Next is ice cream. I like local ice cream called Kofi. Gatba. Sorry, my poor pronunciation. And Himadi, right? I like all kind of I like all kind of ice cream from this local brand, like mango, pista, strawberry. The number 4 is the language, Kannada. I like Kannada. I can make out the difference from the North Kannada to South Kannada. For example, the South Kannada will say, how to madam, I do madam, ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. The next North Kannada language, it comes very funny and very sweet. For example, hey, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಯಾಕಲೇ? Number 5, the place in Karnataka. You can get all kind of sightseeing, and the sightseeing is very beautiful. You can go to forest, mountain, beach, and waterfall. The forest, the Mandipu and Dandeli, you can get very good the animal safari there. The mountain, we can go Dundee Hill and Bengaluru. You can get a very beautiful mountain view. And the beach, I will say the Mapi beach, very clean and very beautiful, and the seafood very excellent. The waterfall, I went to the Joe Fall, very beautiful place. I enjoy a lot there. The last and the best is this one, Sali, the local Sali. Dun, dun, dun. Is it beautiful? Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, support my day. Bye.